Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up use ChargePoint subscriptions for workplace charging easy to begin, navigate to the ChargePoint website. Create an account if you don't have one. Log in to your ChargePoint account. Click on the Subscriptions tab in the menu. Select the Workplace Charging option. Review the available subscription plans tailored for workplaces. Choose the plan that best fits your organization's needs. Add any required business information. Provide the billing information associated with your subscription. Then, review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Confirm your subscription selection. Once confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation email. Next, access the ChargePoint dashboard. Here, you can manage charging stations and track usage. To set up a charging station, click on the Add Station button. Enter the location details for the station. Select the type of charger you want to install. Follow the prompts to complete the station setup. Once the setup is complete, navigate back to your dashboard. Monitor the charging station's status and usage statistics. To enhance employee usage, communicate the availability of the new charging stations. Encourage staff to download the ChargePoint app for ease of use. Provide training on how to use the charging stations. Regularly check for system updates from ChargePoint for new features. Ensure your workplace maintains a welcoming and accessible charging environment. Adjust the subscription plan as needed based on usage data. Enjoy the benefits of providing workplace charging for your employees. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.